Hi guys, today our lesson is numbers and sequence on counting and sequences. So let's continue in this section and discover the content. So we have here the first exercises. So the first exercise about this pattern. This pattern makes a sequence. So the you count the squares in each row of the streets. Case the sequence start by 1, 3, and 5. What mean that? I mean by this one, the first row is 1. The second one, 3. Okay? The third one, 5. How much it will be the 6 or the fourth line? So here we have the first line is 1, the second one is 3, the third line is 5. Here you focus that and you conclude that each row you add 2 square. For example, here we have 3. I add 2 square, it will be 5. Let's start by again. Here we have 1. I add 2. In the second row, it is 3. I add 2 squares here, it will be 5. And so on. So the step between term to term is 2. So here we have, I add plus 2. Here also I add plus 2. The next one, 7. Here we have 9. Here we have 11, 13. But how much in n row? So Tn equal, the first one is 1 plus n minus 1 times the step between this one, first and second, is 2 times 2. So if we need to know the number 10, here we have T10, okay, equal 1 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 2. So here we have 19. Here we have 19 squares. So let's move for the next one here. Where there are another patterns made from the sticks. Draw the next pattern in the sequence. So here, if you focus and count the number of sticks, 1, 2, and we have here 4, it will be 6. Here we have 6. So we have in the second one here 6, we add 5. Here we have 6 and 5, 11. So here 11 we add 5, 16, and so on. So if we not want to draw the next one, I put this same patterns, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, the first one. Second one, I add 5. The next one, I add 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I add also 5 here. Okay, 5. So the first one here, how much? It is 6. Here, 5. Here, 5. And here, 5. Look at 15 plus 6, 21. Here we have 21. I come back again for this one and look for this table. Complete the table. We have here 6, number 2, 11. Here we have 11. The third one, 16. Here I add 5. Also here I add 5. I add 5, 21. I add also 5 here. It will be 26. I add 5. Okay. It will be 31. But I need to know the nm case or nm strix. How the patterns, it will be how much this one. So we have here the same thing, t n equal. The first one is 6 plus n minus 1 times 5. I need the 10, t10 here equal 6 plus 9 times 5 equal 6 plus 45. It will be 51. Here 51. This is the rule or the formula of to get the any terms here, any term you need to know, you use this formula. Okay, like the exercise before, here we have this formula also you can use to know any one here. Okay, so let's continue to the next thing. Zohra writes a sequence of 5 numbers. The first one is 2, here is 2. The last one is 18. The rule is add the same amount each time. Write the missing number. Our job is to complete this missing number. Look at this, my method. First one, you make the difference between last one and the first one. 18 minus 2 equal 16. After that, I count the space between each terms. So here, the 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the space. Space number 1, space number 2, space number 3, and space number 4. I number the space, number of space equal 4. I move for the next step. Here, the next step. If we have here 16, I divide 16 by 4 equal 4. So here we add each time 4. Here we add plus 4. Also plus 4. The same thing here, plus 4 and plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. And 14 plus 4 equal 18. The same thing if we have, for example, here, if you have, for example, another example. Here we have 3. Here we have 1, 2, after that 24. So what we need to count, first thing, I count 24 minus 3 equal how much? 21. And I count the number of space here. 1, 2, 3. 3 space equal 3. The last one, the difference, the step between each term, the step between each term is 21 divided by 3 equal 7. Look here. I add 7. Here I add 7 plus 7. Also here I add plus 7. Here also I add plus 7. Let's look here. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 10 plus 7 equal 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Exactly. So let's move for the next one here and the last. John writes a sequence of numbers. The rule is to add the same amount each time. write the missing number. The same thing before I did in this example. Here I count the difference between this last term and the first term. Here 4 minus 1 equal how much? 14 here also. 14. Okay. 14 equal 15. 15. So let's count the number of space. Here we have the 1, 2, and the 4. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. 3 space. Here we have number of space equal 3. So I divide 15 times or divide by 3 equal 5. So here I add each time 5 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 5 here. So minus 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Okay? So here I add each time 4. So guys, thank you so much to join me and listen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more content. And thank you so much to joining me. This is the last thing. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.